Hello, world history students. This is Mrs. Politsky, and we've got a little section of chapter 17 that we're going to take a look at, dealing with the age of exploration, but focusing primarily on some of the early explorers, some of those that were coming out of like the 1500s or so. So, as we go along, you have kind of a guide that you can jot down your names. And so, we're going to start. So, with number one, this Italian explorer discovered Asia during the late 13th century. Now, I would have to say it had already existed, but for Europeans going there, I guess this would be kind of a monumental time. Man, Marco Polo. Number two, this explorer discovered the Cape of Good Hope. That would be the southernmost point of Africa in 1488 for Portugal, and that would be Bartholomew Diaz. Number three, this explorer discovered the Bahamas, Cuba, Hispaniola, all for Spain in 1492. And yes, it's Christopher Columbus. Number four, this explorer discovered New England's coastline in 1497 for England, and that would be John Cabot. Number five, this explorer discovered India in 1498 for Portugal, and that would be Vasco da Gama. Number six, this explorer discovered South American coastline for Portugal and Spain in 1499, and that would be Amerigo Vespucci. Number seven, this explorer discovered Brazil for Portugal in 1500, and that would be Pedro Cabral. And number eight, this explorer discovered Malacca for Portugal in 1511, and that would be Afonso de Albuquerque. Number nine, this explorer discovered the Pacific Ocean for Spain in 1513, and that would be Vasco de Balboa. If you can see his name, there we go, below there. All right, and number 10, this explorer discovered Florida in 1513, and that would be Juan Ponce de Leon. In 11, this explorer discovered Mexico for Spain in 1519, and that would be Hernan Cortez. Number 12, this explorer sailed around the world for Spain in 1520, and that would be Ferdinand Magellan. Number 13, this explorer discovered the east coast of North America for France in 1524, and that would be Giovanni de Verrazzano. And number 14, this explorer discovered Peru for Spain in 1531, and that would be Francisco Pizarro. Number 15, this explorer discovered the St. Lawrence River in 1534 for France, and that would be Jacques Cartier. In 16, this explorer discovered North America's southeast coast for Spain in 1539, and that would be Hernando de Soto. In 17, this explorer discovered North America's southwest in 1540 for Spain, and that would be Francisco de Coronado. In number 18, this explorer discovered California in 1542 for Spain, and that would be Jallo Cabrero. In 19, this explorer discovered the Great Lakes and Quebec for France in 1603, and that would be Samuel de Champlain. And finally, this explorer discovered the Hudson River and Hudson Bay in 1609 for the Netherlands and England. That would be none other than Henry Hudson. All right, thank you very much.